Okay, so here we are. This is where the course will get a bit more exciting and interactive for students. And this is where you can really start getting hands-on using Python. Providing that you have installed Python correctly on your machine, we can now go ahead and move forward. So I am recording this course on a Windows machine. So therefore I have started command prompt CMD. If you're on Mac OS or Linux, then you would want to start terminal. Once you've started terminal or CMD on your current operating system, we should then be able to type in Python and hit enter. And I see I've got the Python version here and these three arrows which indicate that I'm now inside Python. Now, if that didn't work for you or you got any sort of error, you may have to try Python with a 3. Hit enter. So mine brings up the same version. If yours does say Python 2 on this one, then you do need to use this Python 3. Now, I assume now that you can see these 3 arrows and we can begin. So our first line of code, and do follow along, will be print, parentheses, open and close. You can use 2 single quotes. You can use double quotes. It's just best to ensure consistency across your code, but they both work the same. And we can type in hello, hello, well, exclamation mark, and hit enter. And we have an output here, hello world, and that would be your first line of Python code. Very, very basic, but the print statement is used quite a lot across Python, sometimes for debugging or just seeing outputs when you're not sure, or various reasons. So let's make it a bit more personal. So follow along here. We're going to write in NAME for name, space, equals, space, and we'll use our quotes again. And I will type in my first name, J. So, and hit enter. And we can see there was no output here, but something did happen, and we will learn what is happening in future lectures. Now we're going to want to do print again, open and close parentheses, and your quotes. Now let's type in hello, comma, and then we'll come outside of the quotes, comma, and type in name, what you wrote here. And now we can see hello, J. So that would be your first few lines of Python code, and that was done using the Python interpreter. So let's close this now. So let's type in exit, parentheses, hit enter, and now we've come out of the Python interpreter. So yeah, well done. You've done your first few lines of code, and I look forward to doing more with you and digging deep. So yeah, nice one.